everyone, my name is Peter Watson. I'm an International Trade Compliance Analyst with Sierra Nevada Corporation, or SNC.
Hi everyone, my name is Katie Pagano-Gerwitz, and I am an Instructional Design Specialist for Ball Corporation.
Hello, my name is Sandy Moylanen, and I am the VP of Operations at the World Trade Center Denver.
Hello, my name is Tyler Sullivan, and I'm the Director of Business Development for Kramer Wine Logistics Government and Defense Vertical.
Hi, this is Diane, and I'm with Seagate Technology.
Hi everyone, this is Frank Murphy from Seagate Technology.
SNC is a defense contractor who primarily works in systems integrations, but has a whole host of different programs and projects and work and areas of responsibility that we do from a day-to-day basis. We work primarily with the U.S. Air Force and U.S. Army, but work with other U.S. government agencies, international customers, as well as hand-in-hand with our space subsidiary, who is working to send a ship to the International Space Station for resupply. As a veteran at SNC, there's a strong community of other veterans with similar experiences and cultural values that you will be exposed to while working here. Our company really places a strong emphasis on their veteran workforce and offers a bunch of different benefits based on the time and service that you did have in the military. Due to the varying nature of our work with our customers, SNC is always looking to attract a broad range of talent. All skills from operators and mechanics to data analysts, to aerospace engineering, program managers, intelligence analysts, or even people like myself doing that support work in trade compliance are welcome and have a bright future here at SNC.
Ball Corporation is a provider of metal packaging for beverages, food and household products, and of aerospace and other technologies. I work in the metal packaging division, and I build training programs for our can and end manufacturing facilities in the North and Central America region. This is different than the aerospace division, so my main focus will be to talk about what it's like in the metal packaging division. I work from our main campus in Westminster, Colorado, but I do serve all of our plants in the region. Because of the pandemic, I usually work remotely, but I do go into the office about 2 days per week. We have seen major growth during the pandemic. We've opened new plants because the demand for aluminum cans is very high. The cans and the cups that we make are infinitely recyclable. Literally, aluminum never loses its integrity. And when you recycle your can or cup, it's usually back on the shelf within 60 days. Many different career opportunities within the metal packaging division, both at the plant level and at the corporate level. We do offer summer internships for college students, so it's important to check our website for these opportunities in the new year. Our interns are truly part of the team. I look forward to having a discussion about day-to-day operations and how to help you transition from active duty military into civilian business life. Thank you.
The World Trade Center Denver is a business network and services organization, sort of like a chamber of commerce or a trade association, where we are dedicated exclusively to the international business success of companies in Colorado and throughout the Rocky Mountain region. In my role as the VP of Operations, I wear a couple different hats. I am the head of our client services. Our services include our international business trainings and professional development training. We have a consulting practice, and we just launched an accelerator program which helps Colorado-based companies go global more quickly. I am the finance team. I set and I manage our budgets. I do the accounting for the organization, and I manage our federal grants. I am also the HR lead, so I'm involved in developing positions and hiring candidates. We really look for candidates with what we would call a global mindset, someone who is super curious about the world and someone wanting to explore those differences, someone who is really patient with cultural differences, who has the ability to recognize and adapt to those cultural signals, someone who really respects and values the diversity of people and the diversity of thought, someone who has lived or has been stationed in other countries and has experience being uncomfortable, but also being excited by those cultural differences. Second languages are helpful. but not necessary. That global mindset is more of a personality characteristic that we sure look for, and is something we really value when we look to expand our team. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you all in the breakout sessions.
I wanted to first thank each of you for your service to our nation, and to the University of Colorado for the opportunity to give you an overview of Crane and to address some of the questions you guys got to submit. Crane's a full-service global freight forwarder and contract logistics provider. Since we opened our doors in 2008, we've been able to expand to 120 locations in 30 countries and have diversified our business to support 9 different industry verticals. These verticals include aerospace, automotive, consumer goods, cruise marine, energy, government defense, high-tech, industrial manufacturing, and life sciences. All these industries face unique shipping and logistics challenges, and our goal is to provide our clients a customized supply chain solution tailored to address their individual requirements. I started my career in operations, supporting some commercial clients. My traditional day would either be in the office or kind of in a warehouse managing a local operation. Pretty high op tempo, and which was great coming out of the military, but for me, I kind of wanted something a little bit more. So when I found out that Crane was actively supporting a couple of government contracts, which had a pretty positive impact on the warfighter, I made that my target, my objective to go and work for them. So once I got onboarded, I spent a few years doing operations and pricing, so that way I could learn the business from the ground up. And from there, I went over to business development. Now I travel around the world the majority of my time, and I really focus on meeting with clients and partners so we can engineer some solutions to support the warfighter and their mission around the world. First thing I would say, get started as early as possible. Next, I would identify exactly what you want to do, build a plan in order to do it, and set some good, clear, tangible goals. 3, most importantly, find mentors. You can get mentors who have been there and done that, who can help guide you through, all of the mistakes that they already made. Then your chances of success are fairly high. Thank you guys for your attention and for listening to this. I hope it helps somebody in some way.
Seagate is located in 4 offices within the U.S. We have Longmont, Colorado, Shakopee, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Fremont, California. Fremont is known as our U.S. headquarters. We also have offices all across the globe. At Seagate Technology, during the first wave of the pandemic, we recognized that our operators and some of our workers needed to be on site. And in order to keep them safe, we asked as many employees as possible to work remote. Since that time, we have monitored the situation and have been able to bring employees back to our sites. However, moving forward, we will continue to watch on a case-by-case basis on if the role needs to stay remote, hybrid, or in person. You can move both laterally and hierarchical. You can move from individual contributor to a manager, or also as a project team lead. Through our career discovery program available to internal employees, you can also check out other opportunities across different departments and organizations. Yes, Seagate offers internships typically between mid-May and mid-August, with applications opening on our website in the fall semester. Our internships are robust. They have hands-on project work, learning opportunities, and social events.
The biggest challenge for me during my transition from the military was the absence of the team. I went from being an important part of a unit that had a common purpose to one in which I was often an imposition in my customers' days. In the quote, real world, the team can be hard to duplicate. What I found is that it's really important to try to create it yourself. This can be with your coworkers, your friends, your family, and or in your community. One of my best experiences here has been to volunteer at our local Veterans Administration hospital. It's amazing how quickly you can connect with people from the military who you've never even met, and perhaps change someone's life for the better.
Hi, my name is John Boner. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for the CAP family of companies. CAP Logistics delivers customized transportation solutions. We solve complex logistics challenges, including oversized, heavyweight, and expedited freight shipping to remote locations around the globe. It takes a strong team to run a global logistics company, and our family-owned company has been doing it for 40 years. We have opportunities ready for you, from driving to operations, sales, marketing, accounting, HR, and IT. Our team shares our core values: 5-star customer service, problem solving, positive attitude, commitment, and GAS, which stands for give a shit. We're the guys that deliver 24/7, even when global supply chains are FUBAR. U.S. military veterans like you have the skills and discipline to excel in logistics. We hope our core values align with yours, and we look forward to talking to you about joining our team.
We were founded in 2007. A number of us had come from the federal government, supporting the Navy and Congress and a variety of different other agencies.
And branched off one person, one client, one contract at a time, expanding first within the intelligence community and then to a few Department of Defense organizations and then to a few civilian federal agencies.
We have around 215 employees, but 180 of those employees are actually embedded every day with our clients.
We do the work for mission critical environments, the intelligence community, the State Department, the White House. The work is very diversified. It is fast moving, fast paced, and very rewarding for our employees.
We have facility solution, acquisition procurement, financial management, security consulting, and new this year we have training services.